Hello, Sally Social here and welcome to another social media training. Have you ever experienced one of those moments where you posted a link on social media and the image it's bringing across from your website is totally the wrong image? It might be an old image that's no longer there anymore, and it's really frustrating because you go back to your website, you check the image, it's there, everything looks fine, but then when you're posting it across in social media, it's not picking up the right one. That's because there's a little bug in there. Now, I'm not going to get technical about it, but I am going to show you a quick solution. Hello, my name's Sally Social and welcome to my channel. Each week I produce a quick social media training for you. Hopefully it will help you develop and grow your business. If you'd like to be notified each time I release a new video, then please subscribe by hitting the red button below, and also hit that notification bell as well, because that will of course notify you each time a new training is released. Okay, so let's show you this amazing tool. When you share your website content on Facebook by typing in the URL, sometimes you might either not be seeing the image and the caption you expected to see, and B, you might want to actually change the image and the caption that actually appears. To change this, simply what we do is go into the admin area of our website. For this example, typed in the URL of my homepage, and this is the image that Facebook is going to display on the post. However, I've made some changes to my homepage, so it's going to look quite different if people click through and see something that's not related to either the image or the description I'm displaying in Facebook. So all I need to do is go into the admin area and change the metadata, because Facebook picks up this data from the metadata that's in our admin area. Now, if you have made some changes, Facebook doesn't always know that those changes have taken place. So we have to tell it by using the Debugger Tool. To illustrate this example, I'm going to go back into my admin area of my website and make a change to the metadata. So I'm in my WordPress dashboard and I'm in the Pages menu. I'm going to look for the page that I want to update. Click on Edit, and now what I'm going to do is actually change the metadata to reflect something that I want to appear within Facebook. If you're not sure where to make the changes, you can ask your developer or your WordPress theme designer where you purchased your theme from. If you're using another website such as Wix or Squarespace, then look for where the metadata is on the back end or the admin area of the page that you want to share. So here we are in the admin area of the page that I want to share, and I'm using Thrive themes. And as you can see here, this is where I can change and update the metadata. So whatever I enter in here will get shared with Facebook. So let me work through the example with you. First of all, I want to change the title, because if we head back to my Facebook post here, you can see that the title currently being brought over from the website says Making Digital Marketing Easy, and I want to update that. Then we can provide a description. Next, it's asking me to upload an image, so I am going to go into my image library and reselect the one that I want and then choose image. Then once we've completed that, all you do is update the page, so it's going to save that meta information. And then when we head back into our Facebook page and I refresh the page, so what I'm going to do here is copy that URL. So let's refresh the page here. So what you can see here is actually bringing up an old image. So what we need to do is use the Facebook Debugger Tool to get rid of this little bug. So when we enter in the URL, the correct one gets displayed. So let's go and do that now. To access the Facebook Debugger, simply type in Facebook Debugger Tool into Google and click the link, and you'll be taken to this page here. So all you need to do is take that URL, enter it as you see here, and then click on debug. And here you can see it's updated the image to the one that I selected earlier and the new description. So I'm happy with that. Now let's see what happens when I re-enter that into the Facebook post. So let's cancel this and refresh the screen again. this is the URL that I want. So there you go, it's that simple. Head over to the Facebook Debugger tool, enter in the URL that you want to fix, click debug, and then hop back into your social media and repaste it. If you've got any questions, then please feel free to post them in the comments below.